Hey folks, welcome back to Vert Der Ferk, the channel where a mid-40s Canadian guy with too many cookbooks tries to make sense of them one recipe at a time.
So the first video we're doing for the channel is going to be from the Looneyspoons Collection. It was randomly selected from my collection of cookbooks, which is really kind of funny because this has been a staple in my kitchen for as long as I can remember. I refer this book to friends. I buy it for people as gifts. If I could recommend probably one cookbook to anybody, it's probably the Looneyspoons Collection. It's two Canadian sisters. It was distributed and done by Dave Chilton, as you know, as the Wealthy Barber. And then what we did is once we selected this, we did a random selection for the chapter. And wouldn't you know it, the chapter it selected was the baking chapter. Literally the one chapter I've never touched inside this book because I always use it for dinners. So this is going to be a new adventure for me today. So today we're going to take on the Rolling Scones, cranberry orange scones, and we're going to see how this goes.
Dry ingredients: flour, oat bran, dried cranberries, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Wet ingredients: buttermilk, butter, orange zest, vanilla, egg for the glaze.
And I screwed up and put the egg in the dough.
Where are they? This kind of behavior is never tolerated in Boracua. You shout like that, they put you in jail right away.
Okay, so we've done the rolling scones, and outside of adding an egg when the recipe did not call for it, don't do that. It was actually a very good, very kind of easy recipe, like nothing too crazy, but still it had all the elements that you would kind of want from like a scone or any kind of baked goods. The house smelled incredible with that bit of orange inside the scone. And as always with this cookbook, one of the ways is that it tries to find nutritious ways to kind of inject more healthy things into standard comfort food. So it was a thumbs up from the kids, which is always a positive sign, and it was gone before we even went to bed that night. So far, so good. Easy to make, delicious.